What's up, YouTube? Good morning. Happy Saturday. All right, so there's the monster right there. So with these things being so heavy, them subs are literally 60 pounds a piece. I'm gonna add that excess battery. That's another 56 pounds. Just causing me some issues in the back with these rims. Pretty close. It's pretty close. There's no rust there. That's just basically rubber from the tire. If anybody sits in there, the quarter is literally sitting right on top of the tire. So I bought some brackets that we're gonna try to bump this up a little bit. I'm gonna take it down to my guy, see what happens. All right, I'll let you guys know. Those brackets that I showed earlier aren't gonna fit. I just bought a couple more of these spacers. I already have 2 in there on each side, so I'm gonna add another one. These 2 to each side, so I have 4, and that's the pre-installation height. So let's see after I put these in. All right, we're back. So you can see I got 4 in there now, and it did raise it up. I might go buy another set and put 2 more on each side to have a total of 6, but I'm gonna take it for a ride and see how she does. All right, thanks guys, I'll keep you updated.